everyone, welcome back to the Resort Loop recipe box. What edition is this?
This is the Disney Springs edition.
I'm Tim Scott.
I'm Bob Collar. This is very exciting.
We've been waiting for this one for a long time.
This better be good, mister,
I know.
because we have had this.
We've had this, and
And it's not good.
I just told my wife earlier today, thank you, life-changing chicken.
Oh, fantastic. And again, you know, we're just cooking up the main dish. We're not cooking up the accoutrements.
No.
No mashed potatoes.
We're not French.
No. Although we should cook those donuts.
Oh, we got the oil cooking. We got the oil down there.
But we don't have donuts.
Oh, we need dough.
Nuts.
Say it for another show.
Nuts.
By the
Okay.
way, did we mention what we're making?
We are making the Homecomin Chicken. We just said
Did we say
Homecomin
that?
Chicken. We already said that.
I'm a little taken back by the hot oil here. I don't usually deep fry it.
Oh, hey, whoa.
Is it? What? Oh. Do you sense a problem?
All right, let's go.
Better safe than sorry. I'd keep that handy. And stand 6 feet back.
So anyway,
Put that down. We got to get to work.
all right, we got things to do. I'm keeping it close though. There we go.
That's because you were a Boy Scout and you're always prepared. Okay. Before we get started,
Yeah.
this is the chicken. This has been soaking. We don't want to do all this right here, but I will have to,
Brine thing.
the brine thing.
What is that?
That's probably the secret to this chicken.
All right.
It had to brine, which
Okay.
means submerge it in salt water.
Yeah.
And the recipe would be down below with thyme, rosemary, salt, and some garlic cloves.
Well, at the time, it's getting late.
I know it's getting late. I'm sorry about that.
Rosemary couldn't make it.
Oh, we also need black peppercorns. We're in there, and bay leaves. A couple bay leaves.
Do I have any of that?
I got
Do we
it
have
yesterday.
any of that? You got it already.
Because
All
it
right.
has to brine for like 12 hours.
Listen, it's best to get all this stuff put together for like you have done.
Yes.
If you're going to cook, this is a good way to do it because then you're not just grabbing stuff as things are
Exactly.
trying to do what they're. I don't know what I'm talking about.
He doesn't know, but he's right. Organization is your friend.
Organization. That's what I was getting at.
I know.
Okay.
That's why I finished your sandwiches.
What do we? It kind of would end that way too.
Yeah.
For all you Frozen fans out there, that's
it would.
exactly how it would end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then anyway,
Try and take over my kingdom. Anyway, or I don't know what that
so
means.
then you take it out of the brine water. Make sure you get all the peppercorns off the chicken because you don't want to bite into a whole peppercorn.
What is brine water? Explain that to everybody. What's
I
brine
just did.
water?
Salt water,
Okay.
thyme, rosemary, peppercorns,
I should
some
probably
salt.
listen. Huh? I should
did the whole
probably
thing.
listen.
Take it out of the brine water, then you put it in a big bowl, or I use a big plastic sealable bag.
That's the way I let stuff marinate. That's a good way to marinate.
That's what we're doing. Now it's marinating in buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
Think
We
that-
making pancakes
we could.
after that?
We could.
Chicken pancakes.
Oh,
Chicken and waffles.
Forget about
Nothing
it.
wrong with that either.
All right, so what we need to do,
right.
we've brined it.
All right.
We got to get egg wash ready. Step 2 is egg wash.
All
You
right.
need to put 6
I
eggs.
got to wash these eggs.
Wash the eggs.
All right.
Scrub them really well.
Okay. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Hang on. What do I got to do? I got to
Crack
put
the
them in
eggs.
there.
No, crack the eggs, put your shells in there, put the
All right.
eggs in there.
Well, I can't do that. I got to put these out here. Otherwise, I'm going to cover up the other eggs.
Right. I love your problem-solving skills.
Why'd you put them in there? Stop. Sit, Ubu. Sit.
Good dog.
Good dog.
Actually, it's an
He
egg.
gets it.
I do get it. 'Cause
All right, here we go. Boom.
Boom.
1. I feel like Rocky. Am I going to drink this afterwards?
Yes, you are.
Whoa, and there goes that one. All right, give me another one.
What did you do?
I dropped one. Give me another one. Come on now. Come on.
I got to go back over
Clock's
the
ticking.
eggs.
Oh, that went everywhere. Don't give an amateur a job like this. I don't know what I'm
Hang
doing.
on. I'm pulling it out of the chicken now.
Rocky had. Ew. Ew.
Well, they usually lay them in the morning. We're here in the evening.
Come
There
on.
we go.
Here we go. All right.
Again, I'm not
It
yoking.
fell-
Come on. Everyone was waiting for it.
Uh-oh.
What, the
it
shell?
Shell. I was shell shocked. That the shell.
Excellent. Good job.
All right. What are we doing?
Here, take this.
Oh,
Go like Devo and whip that up.
you want me to whip it good?
Whip it real good.
Okay. I'm tapping it. Do I tap it?
You can
I gotta
tap,
break. I gotta break
it.
them.
Break. Now
This is really nice. Where'd you get this?
Get right over here.
Okay.
Just to the right. All right, whip it real good there.
I'm whipping.
This is about a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper or so. It's all.
Uh-oh, throwing it in.
Last
time you made me do this, couple of shows,
Uh-huh.
I ended up having to do a lot of stirring.
You did.
I didn't care for that.
It's not going to be quite as much stirring this time. All right. Now, we need about a teaspoon, actually a tablespoon of Tabasco. And you know us, we just kind of eye it up here.
Listen, Art LeBlanc, Art Smith. What's his name? Art Smith. I got a picture with Art. I'm going to post that.
You did. That was right.
Art Smith. He ain't measuring nothing. He's just slapping it together because he's smart.
And he's also not doing that. His chefs are doing it for him.
He's doing well now.
He's out having this picture taken with yahoos like you. I said yahoos.
That's my mother's maiden name.
That's what I said.
Nice. Not nice. We never did live that down. No. Anyway,
right, that's good. That's good.
Am I done?
That's our egg wash. We're going to take the chicken.
We're washing the eggs.
We're going to dump it in there, kind of get it nice and coated.
Don't
Then we're going to dredge
step in
it through this dredging mixture, which is, I want to say it was like
dredging.
Dredging.
What are we cleaning out the lake, a river? What are we doing? We're dredging.
It's going to be much yummier than that.
I hope so.
All right, 2 cups of regular flour and 2 cups of self-rising flour. We're going to add some cayenne pepper. This is the salt.
You got to lower it. Herb can't get that shot.
I'm over hot oil.
Hang on.
Some dried thyme. Get it out. I don't. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Chicken.
Go.
I'm back here. Okay. Garlic powder. Onion powder. And paprika.
Oh, the paprika I got to hit.
That's red. You know that's hot. That's fire. Powdered fire. First of all, smell this.
It's a bowl. What?
Smell this.
It does smell good.
Doesn't that smell good?
It smells really good. Herb's
What do you
sticking his
think?
face in there.
Forget about it. All right.
He's making a camera nod up and down.
Now, let's stop it. Let's check the temperature here, because you need this oil to be at about 325.
325.
It could be at 700 degrees. I'm not really sure.
It probably is right now.
It could be the surface of the moon.
Oh, it's past it. It's way past it.
It is. We're going to back it down a little bit.
325 it said. You're at 400 degrees.
It's like it's carousel of progress.
Did you start? Did you?
500 degrees.
I guess we're having pizza tonight.
All right.
Yeah,
exactly.
kids.
All right. I think we'll be all right. Let's just knock the temperature down.
Thanks,
here a little
Grandpa.
bit. Where's Orville? Is he in the...
I think he's in the restroom. Why do they call it a restroom? Nobody rests in there.
Have you ever been in the
Are you
ladies' room?
resting in there?
It might rest in the ladies' room.
What are you doing in ladies' rooms?
I'm asking.
What? Oh, we might have to edit this part. What are you doing in the ladies' room? How do you know?
They have couches.
How do you know
They
this?
have couches in there.
I don't even know this.
I've heard.
You've heard.
And they also have doors on their stalls. I know. It's like a whole other world. A whole other world.
There's a door in the stall that in the men's room.
That's the shower.
Just cook something.
All right, let's go. All right, we're gonna.
Oh, it's all.
Let the buttermilk drip off.
Are you serious about that?
Why wouldn't I be?
Honestly, that's like Alien.
I know.
Is that something that's from Alien? Did they use buttermilk and chicken
Exactly.
in the movie Alien? I'm afraid that's going to jump on my face.
So you're going to put that in there. Let's use a couple, big piece and a little piece. Make sure we get it all covered.
All right.
You want that to soak in there a little, just a little bit. Wash it. You want it to all stick.
Now, is all the buttermilk going off of that because you're shoving it in there?
Enough of it's coming off.
None of it?
Enough.
Oh.
Come on. See what look at that. Look at this goodness.
What are you tossing it in there? You're going to make a mess.
Look at this.
Look at that. There's one.
Now, actually, this recipe is good for what they call 2 chickens. Although I only brought 1 chicken with us, but we set up all the ingredients like we were going to make a whole chicken. Now, the tricky part here is I'm going to use your handy dandy tongs here so I don't go burst into flames.
I was going to wear a tong.
Thank God you didn't.
Look at this. Back. Look at that.
Look at this.
Look at that beautiful boiling. Oh.
Remember, the oil in this pan is only about an inch full. You don't want
need
to go.
to turn it back? Need to back
I
it
don't think
off?
so. Let's just go with this for a little bit.
It's going. Do I need to cover it with something? One of those
Don't
splash
cover.
guards?
Good Lord, don't cover this.
This.
Hang on, I'm going to use your water.
So now at Homecoming, they're probably using a much bigger skillet.
I would think so.
I would hope so.
This is a pretty cool skillet, though. This is a
They're
nice
using-
big cast iron.
Yeah.
We went with cast iron because it holds the heat really well.
Whoa!
That's why I said back yourself off. I make no promises.
Settle down.
You want to check on this and turn it about every couple
Listen.
minutes. You don't want to.
Great projects.
Oh,
Sometimes you're going to break a few eggs.
I love it.
This is a great project.
First of all, look how fantastic this looks.
Resort Loop recipe box, Disney Springs edition.
Art Smith's chicken. Who knew? Although he's probably watching this shaking his head when you're doing it all wrong.
We want to let everybody know that no chickens were harmed in the making of this.
Look at that chicken.
Delicious. I'm loving it. Now, how long do you leave that in there?
You want to turn it about every couple minutes or so. Just keep an eye on it. You don't want it to burn. And I always get worried with the bigger pieces. And like I said, this is actually one of the first time I've ever deep fried something.
That's a good piece.
I get nervous with big pieces of chicken.
No blame
Because of
you.
a lot of
'Cause
food.
it explodes and stuff.
You know, your lamb, your beef, you can serve it a little slightly raw. Chicken, you can't do it.
I will say this, and this is a little bit of experience with deep fryers.
All right.
Don't make sure that there's not water inside those. So don't like take a frozen one and shove it in there.
Look at you.
Because that water is going to make that pop like it did.
Yeah, like
And
bacon
only
frying.
really bad.
Really bad.
So, and you could get burned. This is very dangerous. Seriously, don't do this at home, kids.
I'm making more of a mess in your house, by the way. Did you notice that?
I did notice. I mean, the Resort Loop kitchen, ResortLoop.com kitchen. Don't be.
Wow. Look at that. You got to flip it. Flip it good. Flip it real good.
That one's probably done.
That's what I
I'm
was
going to
thinking.
say the wing's probably done.
think
You
the
want to
wing's
get that
done?
off of
I
there.
do want to get that off there. Here, try that little piece here. The little crispy part. Tell me what you think. It should have cooled down by now.
Cool. Kind of warm, but cool. Oh, that's good.
All right.
Just waiting for the chicken to finish. All right, Homecomin Fried Chicken.
Yes.
I think it's time.
It's time to invite them in.
Time to invite our lovely wives in to do a little
The sample.
sample taste testing.
I love it.
Let me go grab some plates. I'll grab our I won't grab
Whoa,
our
whoa,
wives.
whoa.
I will invite our wives
All
to
right.
come in.
Well, you can grab one. Just make sure it's yours.
Oh, okay. All right. I wasn't sure. You weren't specific.
I'll clarify.
All right.
All right. Just use the thermometer to make sure. And don't be afraid if it starts to kind of iffy on it. Don't be afraid to throw it in the oven. It's not going to take anything away.
That's true. We wouldn't do that. Anyway, what? What?
All right. What would we like?
I want the wing. I just want a small
A
piece.
little wing?
Yeah, me too.
Fortunately,
They
this.
don't trust us. Is
No.
what that is. We're not too sure after you guys talked about
Thank
E.
you.
coli and
There we go.
all that stuff. They're not quite sure. Okay, Bobby, or Herb.
right.
Sorry,
What's
Herb.
the etiquette? Is this
Get the,
finger?
Yeah, that's fine.
You
Sure.
want forks? We can have a.
fork.
You want a fork?
We can have a fork and a knife. Absolutely, absolutely.
I'm going to do it with my fingers.
All right. We're doing it both ways.
All right.
Whoa.
Whoa! Almost ran into the cameraman.
Herb almost
All
got
right,
stabbed.
There you go.
Thank you.
Napkin over there, and we're good
I
to
got
go.
napkins, we're good.
All right. Everybody's got a napkin.
All right.
All right, here we go. Man, I'm worried.
I know.
This one makes me nervous.
Always nervous with chicken. Look at that.
Is it good? You sure?
Oh, it's really good.
Is it good?
Is it really good?
It is, yes.
All right.
How about that?
How about that? All right. I'm gonna hang on because
Uh-oh.
I gotta try this.
Go in.
I'm going in. It looks awfully good.
It's delicious. It's so moist. Very moist.
All right, here we go. Because I've had this. This was life changing.
I know.
If
I
this
remember.
doesn't change my life.
It's a lot of quiet.
Very
Good?
nice. Excellent.
Oh, wow.
Very
I
good.
got to dig in there now. and
How
try
about
it.
that? All right.
Can you tell the chicken's been brined?
Yes, absolutely.
Can you? Okay.
Huge difference.
Oh,
Wow.
Huge
Awesome.
difference.
Sure.
Delicious piece of chicken.
That Art Smith knows what he's doing.
Knows what he's doing. So that is this episode of Resort Loop Recipe Box, the Disney
Springs edition.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Where can I find a recipe? I'm going to keep eating.
Go to ResortLoop.com. There'll be a little tab on there for the Resort Loop recipe box.
It's good to be a helper every now and then because I can eat while he talks.
I'm the chef, but Art Smith was the real chef.
He's got to do it. Like us on Facebook, rate us on iTunes. If you guys are looking to book a trip, ResortLoopTravel.com. What else should folks do, Tim?
Go out there and share. Somewhere on this page there should be a button, the gateway to the magic.
See you, everybody.